Strong Mag. 5.2 earthquake, South China Sea, 92 kilometers northwest of Aparri, Cagayan, Philippines, on Saturday, June 17, 2023 at 6:15 p.m. local time, according to the GFZ, German Research Center for Geosciences reported. Updated, June 17, 2023 10:31 Greenwich Mean Time 18 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here, quakes in the Philippines, Cagayan Valley, ILOCOS, National Capital Region. Strong magnitude 5.2 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.